Cherish OS is based on Android 14 for Poco F1. So let's straight jump into this one. So at the very first time, as usual, we need some files. But let me take you to the Telegram channel where you will see that this is the Cherish OS build which we are going to flash. All the links are given down in the description right from this Telegram channel and also the download links. Even the screenshots is mentioned in this post and you will get everything right over here. This is the Telegram channel and the link is in the description. You just have to enter that channel and you will get all the information. Now you just have to click on the download link mentioned in the post and you will get redirected to the page of the Plink where they have stored all the files. So this page is exclusively made for the Beryllium, that is the Poco F1 device, and you just have to find the compatible files. They have two files, that is the vanilla ROM and the GApps. In our case we have already downloaded and this is the file which is the GApps version. Also these are the prerequisite files, that is the DFE and also the firmware. So these are the files which we need and also these are in the description box below. So now you just have to reboot your phone into the recovery by doing this or just pressing the power button. Now our phone is into the recovery and now you just have to click on wipe and wipe all the partitions mentioned. Make sure that you wipe all the partitions which are these Dalvik cache, system, vendor data and system ext. Please don't wipe any other thing and you might get messed up. After that you just have to swipe to confirm flash and you are done. Once it's done, again you just have to go back and move to the step 2, that is you just have to select all the files in the mentioned order. At the very first time you just have to click on install, navigate to the folder where you have placed your prerequisite file and first you just have to select the firmware. Once you select that, again you just have to click on add on more zips, go back and locate the Cherish OS rom.zip file. So over here this is the file which is residing in the download folder and you just have to click on it. And once you selected both of these files, you just have to swipe. Make sure that the flashing of the ROM will take about 5 to 6 minutes. So till then you just have to wait and have some patience. So let's jump forward. Now fast forward to the main part, you will see that the ROM has been successfully flashed and all the successful nodes which you can see. That means the ROM has been flashed and there is no such issue. Last but not the least, you just have to flash the DFE or disable force encryption. Now navigate to the same folder and you will find the DFE and you just have to select it and swipe to confirm flash. It will be flashed in a second and you are done. So all the prerequisite and also the main ROM file is done with flashing and now you just have to click on reboot and reboot your phone to the system. Once you do that, the phone will start rebooting into the system and it will take about 5 to 6 minutes as mentioned before. You will see the Poco logo and also the very beautiful boot animation of the Cherish OS. Once you see that, that means your ROM has been booted successfully and it will take about 6 minutes as I mentioned, and boom, fast forward, our ROM has been booted and that said it was not having any kind of issues while it was getting booted as we flashed all the files properly. Now this is a normal setup you usually get when you install any other ROM in any other phone. So let me jump fast forward to the main part and I will just set this all up for you. Boom, the ROM has been booted and this is the setup and this is the wallpaper which the community has kept. Now let's have some walkthrough where I will just take you to the settings and the interface of this ROM. The ROM interface looks pretty much good and it looks kind of user friendly too. This is all the icons where they have used this animated icons as you see in most of the ROMs these days and it looks quite friendly. It is a scroll up and scroll down kind of animation where you will see the about phone section and everything is mentioned in the rectangles and square boxes. In my opinion, this is quite a friendly UI where you will get everything at one place settled. Clicking on this, you will get Android 14 Easter egg as usual. So that's how the interface of the ROM looks and this is really nice. If you want the complete review of this ROM, then I will just drop the review too. Let me know in the comment section below and it will be ready for you. Rest everything will be taken into the section where I will review the each and everything of the ROM, and that's it. So that's it for this video guys. If you like this video, must hit that like button and also subscribe this channel for more such updates upcoming. Until then, see you guys again in the next one. Until then, peace out.